Hello everyone. Our project is about a community fridge. Community fridge is a refrigerator or table that are accessible to everyone in a community. It means that people can take what they need in a community fridge or contribute a food to share with others.
Community fridges address several important issues. First, food insecurity, and second, food waste reduction. By providing free access to food, community fridges help address hunger and food insecurity in communities where access to affordable, nutritious food may be limited. Second, by redistributing surplus food that would otherwise be thrown away, community fridges help reduce food waste, thereby benefiting the environment and conserving resources.
Germany and Spain already adopted a tradition of donating surplus food to community fridges. Also, community fridges are popular in the UK, with over 100 set up by Hubhop's community fridge networks in cities such as London, Manchester, and Bristol.
The responsibility for the community fridge typically falls on the administrators or organizers who manage it. Additionally, community members who use the fridge also play a role in maintaining its safety by following guidelines.
To attract people to donate food, you can use these strategies. Clear communication, the need for food, donation, and how can change the lives of those in need. Use social media platforms to spread information, organize social events such as food giveaways, simplify the donation process for people by providing several donation collection points. Now let's see how we implement this project.